how to use ChatGPT for language translation and learning. So if you want to use ChatGPT for language translation and learning, you can definitely do this whether you're on the free or the paid version. For the free users, you can always just write whatever you want in the message box, but if you have a premium, that's even better. You can just go to Explore GPT section. Now let's say I want to learn some Japanese, right? And I can directly ask in a normal prompt, but I can use a model specifically trained to teach the Japanese language right here. So I can search for Japanese language, and here you can see all of the Japanese teacher. So I will just select this one, but you can use whichever one it is that you want to learn about. You can just go to start chat option here, and now you can just type in, let's talk about a random topic, let's practice conversing, and you can just ask it to teach you Japanese or whatever else it is that you basically prefer. And this is the way that you would be able to go ahead and then use ChatGPT to learn language and do whatever else it is that you prefer. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.